does one differentiate snoring from sleep apnea? Does all snoring indicate sleep apnea?
That's a great question. So again, the question is, um, what is snoring or what is sleep apnea, and does snoring always is indicated sleep apnea? So that's kind of a you need to kind of understand both the snoring and sleep apnea very well to be able to understand this. So, for example, I get a lot of patients in my office. They all have some kind of a snoring, but then when we send those patients for sleep apnea testing, they really don't have sleep apnea. So the answer is not all the patients who snore have sleep apnea. But on the contrary, most of the patients who have sleep apnea, the reason they are being diagnosed for as sleep apneic patient is because they started with snoring. So either their bed partner did not like it, or their parents, did not like it. The parents saw them being stressed out, or the patients themselves, they started feeling some kind of a tiredness and not being able to focus on work and multiple other things that could be happening. So they thought there may be something going on. That's why they went to either their dentist or a physician to get diagnosed of sleep apnea. So again, the question is whether do you have if you have snoring, do you have sleep apnea? No, you do not necessarily. However, some patients ask me the question, well, I had snoring, I went for a sleep apnea testing, but they told me I don't have sleep apnea. But so what do I do now? You can still be treated, and if you want to stop snoring, you can still get some of the dental appliances that we do for sleep apnea patients. Similar appliances for you if you have snoring, and it'll still help you with stopping the snoring. But for the patients who have sleep apnea as well as the snoring, it's kind of a double dip. So you get the same appliance or a similar appliance, you get your sleep apnea treated plus as well as the snoring treated. So again, going back to the question, so we can help patients with both sleep apnea and snoring with the appliances we do in our office, or if you have a dentist that you normally see or a physician that you normally see, talk to them about the options that you have, and they would be happy to help. Yeah.
Oh, great. All right.